Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello students, welcome again to math class. Today I am here with a new topic, that is division of fractions. Division of fraction. Previous lesson we learned fraction addition, fraction subtraction and fraction multiplication. Today let us discuss about division steps of fractions. Divide fraction by whole number, divide whole number by fraction, dividing fraction by another fraction, dividing mixed fraction by another mixed fraction. First, let us divide a fraction by a whole number. All of you take your notebook please. Then write heading division of fractions. Write down the first question. 4 by 17 by 4. That is 4 by 17 divided by 4. How to divide this fraction and number? Here one fraction and one whole number. Look the screen. One fraction and one whole number. The solution is divide to fraction by a whole number. Multiply the fraction number by reciprocal. Multiply the fraction number by reciprocal of the whole number. What is reciprocal? Every number has a reciprocal except 0. Reciprocal means just revise the fraction. Example, the fraction form of whole number 2 is 2 by 1. The fraction form of whole number 7 is 7 by 1. The fraction form of whole number 4 is 4 by 1 and so on. The reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. The reciprocal of 7 by 1 is 1 by 7. The reciprocal of 4 by 1 is 1 by 4. Every number has a reciprocal except 0. To write a reciprocal of the number, just write reverse form. To do the division with fraction, we have to change the divisor to its reciprocal form. Then multiply the fraction. Let us learn through example. Did you write the first question? 4 by 17 divided by 4. Here divisor is 4. In this question, fraction number divided by a whole number. So we have to change the divisor to its reciprocal form. What is the reciprocal form of 4? 4 is equal to 4 by 1. So the reciprocal of 4 by 1 is 1 by 4. Did you understand? We can write our question and change division sign to multiplication. 4 by 17 divided by 4 is equal to 4 by 17 into 1 by 4. We can simplify the fraction with common multiples with denominator and numerator of both fractions. First numerator is 4, second denominator are also 4. So we can simplify the fraction with 4. How many 4s in 4? 1. So we can write the fraction 1 by 17 into 1 by 1. Then multiply. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 17 into 1 is equal to 17. Write your answer. 4 by 17 divided by 4 is equal to 1 by 17. Okay. Write down the second question. 8 by 3 divided by 4. You have to follow the same steps. First, change the divisor to its reciprocal form. Then change the division sign to multiplication sign. 8 by 3 into 1 by 4. We can simplify the fraction with common multiple of denominator and numerator. Here denominator and numerator is 8 and 4. So simplify with 4. Thus we can rewrite the fraction. How many 4s in 8? 2. So write 2 instead of 8. How many 4s in 4? 1. So write 1 instead of 4. Then multiply. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So our answer 8 by 3 divided by 4 is equal to 2 by 3. All of you clear? Similarly, we can divide a whole number by a fraction. Write down your third question. 6 divided by 2 by 3. Here we have to change the division sign to multiplication sign and write the reciprocal of the fraction. Change the divisor to its reciprocal and also change the division sign to multiplication. 6 divided by 2 by 3 is equal to 6 into 3 by 2. We can simplify the fraction. How many 2 in 6? 3 times. So write 3 instead of 6. Then how many 2 into 1 time? Write 1 instead of 2. Then multiply. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Our answer 6 divided by 2 by 3 is equal to 9. Pause the video and write down the complete steps. Next, dividing a fraction by a fraction. Here also the same steps have to be followed. For example, write down your next question. 12 by 9 divided by 6 by 7. All of you write your question. All of you write down the question. 12 by 9 divided by 6 by 7. What do you do first? Change the divisor to its reciprocal and also change the division sign to multiplication. 12 by 9 divided by 6 by 7 is equal to 12 by 9 into 7 by 6. Simplify the fraction with common multiple. How many 6 in 12? 2 times. How many 6 in 6? 1 time. So we can simplify the fraction. 2 by 9 into 7 by 1. 2 into 7 are 14. 9 into 1, 9. Our answer is 14 by 9. Okay. One more example. 7 by 9 divided by 5 by 2. First step, change the divisor to its reciprocal form and also change the division sign to multiplication. 7 by 9 divided by 5 by 2 is equal to 7 by 9 into 2 by 5. Here numerator is 7 and denominator is 5 and denominator is 9, numerator is 2. We cannot simplify further. So directly multiply the numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 7 into 2 are 14, 9 into 5 are 45. So our answer is 14 by 45. Okay. Next one. How about dividing a mixed fraction by another mixed fraction? Whenever mixed fractions are given, we first change them to improper fraction. For example, write down the next question. 7 3 by 5 divided by 2 4 by 5. Here, first change to this mixed fraction to improper fraction. We know how to change mixed fraction to improper fraction. 5 into 7 plus 3 divided by 5. 5 into 7 plus 3 by 5 divided by 5 into 2 plus 4 by 5 is equal to 38 by 5. 5 divided by 14 by 5. Next step, to change divisor to its reciprocal form and also change the sign of division to multiplication sign. 38 by 5 divided by 14 by 5 is equal to 38 by 5 into 5 by 14. Simplify the fraction with common multiples. Numerator by denominator. 38 and 14 common multiple is 2. 5 and 5 common multiple is 5. How many 2's in 38? 19 times. So you have to write 19 instead of 38. How many 2's in 14? 7. Oh, write 7 instead of 14. Then multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 19 into 1 is equal to 19. 1 into 7 is equal to 7. Answer is 19 by 7. We can convert this improper fraction 19 by 7 to mixed fraction. 19 divided by 7. Quotient is 2. Remainder is 5. So mixed fraction 2 5 by 7. So mixed fraction 2 5 by 7. Our answer is 38 by 5 divided by 14 by 5 is equal to 2 5 by 7. Okay. Children, now let us solve one fraction story problem. Read the question. Amulya has two 1 by 5 meter of white lace. Her mother gives her one 1 by 3 meter more. What length of lace does Amulya have now? Read the question. First of all, read the question and understand the type of question. Is it addition, subtraction, multiplication or division? So, write first statement. The length of the lace in Amulya's hand is equal to 2 1 by 5 meter. Write the second statement. The length of lace her mother gave is equal to 1 1 by 3. Third statement. Total length of lace in Amulya's hand 2 1 by 5 meter plus 1 1 by 3. For add mixed fraction, we have to convert this fraction into improper fraction. 5 into 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 3 into 1 plus 1 by 3. So 11 by 5 plus 4 by 3. Here unlike fraction, so we have to find LCM of 5 and 3. LCM of 5 and 3 is equal to 15. Next step, compare the relation of LCM and denominator. In first fraction, 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So multiply numerator with 3. 11 into 3. Answer is 33 divided by 15. In second fraction, compare the relation of LCM and denominator. Here 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So multiply numerator with 5. 4 into 5. Answer is 20 by 15. 33 by 15 plus 20 by 15 is equal to 53 by 15. Simplify the fraction. 53 divided by 15. Quotient is 3. Remainder is 8. So final answer 2 1 by 3 meter plus 1 1 by 3 meter is equal to 3 8 by 15 meter. Total length of the lace in Amulya's hand is equal to 3 8 by 15 meters. One more question. Write down the question. Out of 6 2 by 3 kilo of rice, 1 by 4 kilo was used. What quantity of rice is unused? It is a subtraction problem. So find the difference between the given fraction. Write first statement. Total stock of rice is equal to 6 2 by 3 kilogram. Write second statement. Quantity of used rice is equal to 1 by 4 kilogram. Third statement. Quantity of unused rice is equal to 6 2 by 3 kilogram minus 1 by 4 kilogram. First convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 6 2 by 3 is equal to 3 into 6 plus 2 by 3. Answer is 20 by 3. Second fraction 1 by 4 is equal to 4 into 1 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4. 20 by 3 minus 5 by 4. Here unlike fraction, so find LCM of 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. Compare the relation of LCM and denominator. Here in first fraction 3 into 4s are 12. So multiply with 4. So multiply numerator with 4. 20 into 4. Answer is 18 by 12. In second fraction 5 by 4. 4 into 3s are 12. So multiply numerator with 3. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Thus 80 by 12 minus 15 by 12. Answer is 65 by 12. Simplify the fraction. 65 divided by 12. Quotient is equal to 5. Remainder is equal to 5. So answer is 5 by 12. Quantity of unused rice is equal to 6 2 by 3 kilogram minus 1 by 4 kilogram is equal to 5 by 12 kilogram. Okay, this chapter ends here. Please note your homework, exercise 6.5, page number 137, A to K, and exercise 6.6, page number 138, A to D. That is all for today. Complete your all homework and send it to school WhatsApp. Thank you.